Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download Fornite Mobile on your OnePlus 7 Pro. Before we get started, my name is Nike Beach. If this is your first time here and you like Fortnite Mobile news, tips and tricks to becoming a better Fortnite Mobile player, or anything related to Fortnite Mobile or mobile games in general, start now and consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss anything. Now let's get on to the video. The first thing you need to do is go on Google, type in Fortnite Mobile Android download. I already searched this up before, so I'm just going to re-click my recents. Then on the first tab, it should say Fortnite Mobile on Android Epic Games. Then click Get It on the Epic Games app. Now the website tells you to click the download button, but actually you should click the Epic Games app.apk for it to work. Then click Install for the application. Click Open. This will bring you to the Epic Games app. Now you gotta click Fortnite. Click Install. Click Continue. Click Allow. For security purposes, it will tell you that you have to go to your settings. So click Settings, click Allow from this source, and then go back. Then click Install once again. Then click Open. And continue on the bottom right and click OK. There you go. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. And be sure to write in the comments down below what you liked about this video and what you didn't. I read all the comments and would appreciate your feedback. I hope to see you guys next time. Peace.